Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm heading for my client's place to install TOMIN MINI. In this video, you will get to know how to install it. Now, let's go. TOMIN MINI is basically delivered via Jitbox, but for today, we loaded it onto a van and transported it for a demonstration video. Now let's move it inside the store. TM02 Alpha weighs approximately 70 kilograms, so please be careful when you're carrying it. Next, move it to the installation space. Ensuring clear pathway in advance will facilitate smooth transportation and installation. We're almost done with the installation. Now we're gonna pour the ethanol. So there's a maximum volume line over here, but once ethanol cooled down, the volume decreased. So maybe at first pour around here, then if the ethanol volume goes down, then you can pour. Then turn the switch on. Circuit breaker is located in the backside here. TOMIN MINI breathed from the backside, so ideally the space should be much more, but it's very narrow here as well, and it breathed us from the side, both sides, from here and here. So ideally it should be much more spaces. I think it should be okay to place a blower and a direct airflow towards the back of the TOMIN MINI. It takes about 6 hours to cool down the liquid from room temperature to minus 30 degrees Celsius. We're also finalizing preparation for overseas sales. When using it internationally, you will need to use a voltage transformer. For more information, please contact us.